Today our group will present about green economy and green culture, challenge and implement green programs. Before we start, I will introduce first our group member. First, Muhammad Amirul, second, Muhammad Naim, third, Adam Muhammad, fourth, Muhammad Aidil, and last, Muhammad Danish Fikri. Eco-labeling product. Definition of eco-labeling product is eco-labeling is a voluntary method of environmental performance certification and labeling that is practiced around the world. Refers specifically to the provision of information to consumer about the relative environmental quality of product. This can take many forms, written claims, metrics, and logo. For the example, I take Serum Certified. Cerium is a globally accredited and recognized conformity assessment body with years of extensive experience supplying local and international customers. Cerium Ecolabel is the Malaysian National Ecolabelling Program. It gives your product a competitive advantage over similar product in the market that is prioritize the environment. Cerium International Ecolabelling Scheme goal is to educate and create awareness among consumers, businesses, and manufacturers on environmentally friendly products and services. The Serum Eco-Labeling Scheme has been recognized as the National Eco-Labeling Program of Malaysia. Second example, I will pass to Amirul.
Second example is company UPS carbon neutral. Definition: the UPS carbon neutral shipping label indicates that UPS customer have offset the climate impact of the GHG emission produced by the transportation of that shipment. UPS calculates the emission and purchases carbon offset credit equivalent to the GHG emission created in shipping the package to make it carbon neutral. GHG emission are tracked using the Carbon Neutral Protocol, such as a global standard for ensuring the integrity and equality of carbon neutral certification programs and enabling business to be certified as carbon neutral. For example, accredited carbon offset provider are used. UPS customer can access this label by one of two means. First, contractual, whereby UPS measure customer shipping carbon footprint for a set period of time and transaction and offset then bulk, or number two, per transaction or package, where an offset can be bulk for one particular shipment, extending its commitment to sustainability. UPS is currently matching the offset purchases, effectively doubling the offset purchase in 2011 up to 1 million. Next, I will pass to Wan Muhammad Naim.
So next is a palm oil. Malaysian Sustainable Palm Oil MSPO certification. This eco-label is awarded to palm oil products that meet the sustainable production criteria, which include environmental, social, and economic aspects. For example, palm oil with the MSPO certification must meet requirements for protecting the environment, respecting the right of worker, and enhancing the local economy. Next is paper product. Malaysia Timber Certification Scheme, MTCS certification. This is an eco-label awarded to timber product that come from sustainable managed forests in Malaysia. For example, paper product with the MTCS certification must meet requirement for protecting forest biodiversity, reducing greenhouse gas emission, and promoting the welfare of forest-dependent communities. Green Label certification. This is voluntary eco-label awarded to a wide range of products, including paper products that meet environmental standards set by the Malaysian government. Paper product with the Green Label certification must meet requirement for reducing the impact of resource use, reducing pollution and waste, and promoting environmental responsibility. Next, I will pass to Muhammad Adam.
So next, I will present about Global Organic Textile Standards. The Global Organic Textile Standards was developed with the aim to unify the various existing standards and draft standards in the field of eco-textile processing and to define worldwide recognized requirements that ensure organic status of textile from harvesting of the raw materials through environmentally and socially responsible manufacturing up to labeling in order to provide a credible assurance to the end consumer. Processes manufacturers shall be enabled to supply the organic fabrics and garments with one certification accepted in all major selling markets. So next, I will pass to Adam.
So for the last is best aquaculture practice certified. The best aquaculture practice certified mark on retail packaging tells consumer the seafood came from BAP certified aquaculture facilities. The best aquaculture practice standard developed by the Global Aquaculture Alliance from the basis for BAP certification. The standard specifically protect biodiversity and worker right within a program that addresses environmental, social, food safety and traceability issue throughout producer operation. BAP certification is implemented through the Aquaculture Certification Council, an independent certifying agency that employs an international team of accredited evaluator to inspect facilities to the BAP standard through site inspection, sampling and record review.
Okay. For the method, I think one activity that could be carried out with the community to reduce landfill waste and increase recycling activities is a recycling challenge. The challenge can be a fun and interactive way to engage the community in recycling while also promoting healthy competition and teamwork.
So the challenge could involve the following step. For the first step is divide the community into teams and assign a team captain.
Each team will be given a designated recycling bin and a list of recyclable items that can be collected over a specific period of time. For example, 1 week.
For the third step, the team captain will be responsible for ensuring that team members are aware of the list of recyclable items and are actively collecting and depositing them in the designated bin.
For the fourth step is at the end of the challenge period, the collected item will be weighed and tallied.
And the last step for this recycle challenge, the team with the most recyclable item collected will be declared the winner and recognized with a prize of certificate. So this activity will not only encourage the community to recycle, but also raise awareness about the importance of reducing landfill waste and the impact of recycling on the environment. It can be also be a great way to build community spirit and promote teamwork. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.